Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Did you know, 10 subjects, you did not even think about the expiry date. Many of us have tons of old things that we put into the pantry, promising ourselves to disassemble them later. However, months pass, and they remain there. Also we have a lot of household items, which we want to use to the maximum. Nevertheless, each thing has its expiration date, after which it loses its properties. Here is a list of 10 items that you probably have in your home and which you do not hesitate to discard after a certain time of use. 1. Toothbrush. Dentists recommend changing the toothbrush every 3 months, as the bristles can accumulate bacteria and microbes, making it unusable. 2. Towels. For reasons of hygiene and durability, the maximum lifespan of a towel is 1-2 years. 3. Perfumery. Do you think you can store your perfume for 10 years and use it without problems? Well, I do not. After opening by spirits it is possible to use from 1 till 2 years. And when closed, they can be stored for up to 3 years. 4. Calculation. We often use the same comb for years, but it turns out that we have to change it every year and wash it once a week. 5. Pillows. To use pillows for many years is already a common practice. But did you know that, besides losing form, they can accumulate dust mites? So it is, after 1-2 years the pillows become an excellent home for these tiny and allergic creatures. 6. Bra. It is very important to know how to regularly wash and how long you can wear the same bra. After 1 or 2 years, the underwear loses elasticity, shape and does not fulfill the function for which it is intended. 7. Child auto tract. Sometimes we store things for our children or nephews, expecting that someone will be able to use them again. But very few people know that in 6 years children's car seats lose their shape, elasticity and cease to be safe for the child. 8. Strings. It is recommended not to wear slippers for longer than 6 months, as they become a breeding ground for the fungus. 9. Flour. Often in our pantry a package of flour costs months before we use it. But it is very important to know that depending on the temperature, this product can be stored in a sealed package from 6 to 12 months. 10. Spices. Cumin, turmeric, pepper, cloves and other seasonings are often stored for many years before we add them to a special dish. But it is not recommended to store these spices for more than 3 years. Then they lose their properties. Now you are aware of what household items need to be thrown out after a while. Do not let the accumulation take possession of you. Get rid of those products or things that just take place and do not do any good. And you accumulate unnecessary things in the pantry or throw them out after the end of the service life? Leave your comments and do not forget to share this article with your family and friends. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.